Hello, Ora kids! Today we're going on an amazing adventure together. Because outside there is so much snow. And do you know what we're going to do? I'm going to build my own snowman. Let's go outside. Look at this. Everything is completely white. The snow is so soft and so cold. It sticks to my hands. Welcome to my vlog. Who doesn't love rolling around in the snow? But now we have a big mission. It's snowman time! First, I need to make a big snowball. Let's start. We put the snowball on the ground and roll it, roll it, roll it. Wow, it's really growing. It looks like a giant snow cotton ball. Now it's time to make the snowman's head. This ball will be a little smaller. Because, as everyone knows, snowmen have big bodies and small heads. Hehe. Let's roll it and hop! I placed it right on top. The most fun part of making a snowman, decorating. Now we need 2 eyes. I found some small stones. Then a carrot nose. My mom gave me one from the kitchen. I'm putting small stones for the mouth. And of course, the hat. I found this holiday hat. It's perfect for him. Here it is, my awesome snowman. What should we name him? How about Karpatik? Doesn't he look like he's smiling at you? So cute. I had so much fun making this snowman. I hope you enjoyed watching my vlog too. The best part of winter is doing things together. See you in new videos, Ora kids. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Bye bye.